Well, apparently this fucking iPhone doesn't have enough space to even make a 10-minute video anymore, so I'm not going to be able to actually show you guys exactly how I packaged these. I tried, wouldn't work. Every, minute it was like, oh, too much, not enough storage, so I'm done. I'm not going to deal with it. It's starting to actually piss me off. Anyway, so, pretty much story. If you look at the thumbnail on the video, you'll be able to see this one, which is the 1935 one that I uploaded a video on earlier today. That was before work. Took it to work, basically got fucked up. I'm not going to go into why, because I need to make this a short video. This one is just a regular brushed chrome case. Doesn't have an insert. I bid on it for $2 and I won it. It's a brand new case, but it doesn't have an insert, so I'm asking Zippo in my note if I can get a brass insert so that way I can have a two-tone Zippo, which I think would look really cool. Now, anyway, you're going to want a box. You're going to want to have stuffing in the box. You don't want your Zippos getting any more messed up than they already are. So I normally put them towards the center and then stuff a little bit more paper around the edges of the lighters. And I'll show you what that looks like once I'm done here. Again, I'm sorry that this isn't going to be the best quality video. I tried making it really nice and, edited, but it didn't work. And I'm pretty much fed up with this iPhone. It's a piece of shit. Alright, so this is what you're going to be looking like. You're not really going to be able to see it, but you can see the labels. You want them in the middle, and you want it, I'm probably going to stuff a little bit more paper there, just so that way it doesn't move over and get all messed up if the postal carrier isn't being careful, which sometimes they're not. Alright, now last thing you're going to want is your note. Now your note is going to want to have 3 things on the note while you're sending Zippos in. You're going to want to explain to them if it's only 2, if it's 5 Zippos, whatever amount of Zippos you have. You're going to want to explain to them what is actually wrong with the lighters, which I have. I just told them that, the standard brush chrome didn't come with an insert, and the other one I went into full detail on how it actually got messed up. But again, guys, I'm sorry, I just can't go into it. I'll probably leave it in the description. I'll explain to it, so read the description if you want to know what happened to the 35 replica. Anyway, and the other 2 elements you're going to want to have on this letter is you're going to want to put your return address, and you're going to want to leave them an email contact, so that way they can give you the tracking number once they fix your Zippo. You're going to want to stuff this letter inside your box, which I've already stuffed it in here once while trying to record this originally. This is probably going to be the worst Zippo, how to send Zippos into repair video ever, but oh well. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's what it'll look like when they open it. And all I have is office tape, unfortunately, so that's what I'm having to use and roll with it. So I'm just, going to tape the living hell out of this frickin' box to make sure it doesn't come undone. Alright, once you're done taping that, you can just cut the tape roll. I mean, if you have actual packing tape, which I wish I had, it wouldn't really need to do that. And you're going to want to address your package to this address right here, which I'm going to cover that because you can kind of still see it, but it says Zippo Repair Clinic, 1932 Zippo Drive, Bradford, Pennsylvania, 16701, which is their official address. And of course, I have my return address as the from. And then you're just going to want to slap this onto the top of the package, which again, I'm not going to be able to show you guys because I don't want the general public knowing exactly where I am. But, you know. And I will be taping this down a little bit more before taking it into the post office, but, and there you have it. You have your Zippo box all ready and prepared to go out. That's what you're going to be looking like, guys. Again, sorry if this video was kind of hectic and, you know, I was ill-tempered, but, you know, once I get these Zippos back, I'll be able to do a better unboxing video. But again, this phone just does not have the storage capability. And as a matter of fact, I need to save up and get a new phone. Once I get a new phone, like an iPhone 7 or even an iPhone 8, I will be able to have a lot more room and do better editing videos and stuff like that. I just don't have the patience right now, and I can't afford a new phone yet. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Again, this is what you're going to be looking at when it's all said and done. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be tomorrow when the brass 1941 replica comes in and a couple of other things. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.